What if I told you that with just 3,800 naira, you are going to get access to Grok AI? Yes, it's no longer a news that Grok AI has updated their platform that nobody can be able to generate videos for free like before. Right now, if you want to generate video on Grok AI, they are going to ask you to upgrade. And a lot of people are facing challenges to upgrade because of the amount, which is about for $40. Upcoming content creators like me and you who are not monetized, who don't have enough of money to upgrade, are finding it difficult. But don't worry, in this video, I'm going to show you how you are going to upgrade your Grok AI with just 3,800 naira per month. And you are going to generate videos every day. You are going to generate up to 50 videos every day because it's a premium package. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you are going to do everything. Using your smartphone, you can do it. Using your laptop, you can also do it. So without wasting much of your time, let's go dive into it. But first, if you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button so that when next I drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. Now, let's get started. So now, when you look at my screen right now, I'm using my laptop. So as you can see, when you look at it right now, it says, don't lose your 50% discount on premium. As you can see, now this is their premium package here. This one you are seeing here, this one. This is the premium package you are going to get for 3,800 naira, as you can see. And you are going to be getting this for 2 months. As you can see, 2 months off. Then after that 2 months, you'll be paying 7,600 naira per month. And if you can be able to unlock it, you just pay for the 3,800 naira. This is all what you are going to get access to. As you can see, this is all what you are going to get access to. Grok, as you can see, you are going to see Grok. Now, this is their second premium. That is premium plus. If you are Odogo and you have a lot of money, you can pay it this one, where you get full access to everything. Now, when you come down here, you are going to see everything, their package. Now, how can you get access to this? Now, how can you get access to this is through your S account, your Twitter account. You just log into your Twitter account. You can use your phone, you can use anything, you can use your phone. And if you don't have Twitter account, all you just need to do is just to create a new Twitter account. And because this one right now, I just create a new account just to show you guys. And after you create a new account, the next thing you are going to do is just to click on your profile icon. And when you click on your profile icon, you are going to see where it says get verified. As you can see, get verified, and you click on it. Don't worry, I'm also going to show you how you are going to do it on mobile phone. Now, as you can see, this is it. This is it. So this is how you are going to see it here if you are using laptop. And the next thing you are going to do, if you want to upgrade with this, you just click on this package here and you click on subscribe, and you are going to start the payment and you are going to get your package. Now let me show you how you are going to access it on your phone if you want to use your phone. Now if you want to use your phone, maybe you want to use your phone and you open an S account or Twitter account, you just open a Twitter account. Now the next thing you are going to do is just to click on your profile icon up here, and when you click on profile icon, you are going to see premium. As you can see, you click on premium and you are going to start. Sorry, my network is very poor, and you are going to see something like what I just showed you guys moments ago. So let me click on it again, and you are going to see the package, everything. You are going to see it, and the next thing you are going to do is just to click on subscribe and you start following. Now after you successfully subscribe and you are do everything on the S you have subscribed and you upgrade your package, the next thing you are going to do is to head over to your Grok AI. Now let me show you example. So when you head over to your Grok AI, what you just need to do is just to log out. I know you have account with them before, so you need to log out, and you log in, you click to log out. Now let me log out. You click on log out. So when you click on log out, the next thing you are going to do, when you come to interface like this, you click on continue with S. As you can see, you click on continue with S. Right now, you are going to log in using your S account information, the account you use to open your S account, your Twitter account. That is what you are going to use to log in, so that if you log in with the account, you can be able to generate videos just the way you are doing before. So now you guys have seen everything, how you are going to get access to Grok AI for 3,800 naira for the premium package. So if you find this video helpful, I want you to like this video, comment, and also share this video. And if today is the first time you are coming across this channel and you have not subscribed, do well to hit that subscribe button so that when next I drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. See you guys on my next video.